Assalamualaikum. So now we continue with on-site processing. On-site processing means you do the processing at your own place, at your own house. So this method used to recover usable materials from solid waste and also to reduce the volume or to alter the physical form. So for example, at your own place, you already segregate the kitchen waste at one place, paper in one bin, tin cans in one bin, and bottles in another bin. Okay, so normal processing operation include manual sorting, as I mentioned before, compaction and incineration, but incineration is not advisable because it will produce air pollution. So compaction means you compact in order to reduce the volume. For collection of solid waste, the functional element in collection of solid waste depends on the types of collection services, type of collection system, analysis of collection system, and also setting up collection route. Okay, so it can be divided into municipal collection services and also commercial industrial collection services. Common collection services that being used is by using curb, alley, and also backyard collection. For municipal collection services, the containers are designed specifically to work with the container unloading mechanism. For example, this pickup truck is designed to lift the bin. Okay, so ukuran dia dah siap-siap lah. Okay, in order for the pickup truck to lift the bin up and then empty the bin. For commercial industry collection, so these are the examples. Okay, so the use of large movable and stationary containers and large stationary compactor. The type of collection system can be divided into two types of collection system based on operation mode. The first one is HCS, Hall Container System, and SCS, Stationary Container System. Okay. Stationary means the container is at that point, not moving, while Hall container, the truck will pick up the container. Okay, for example, okay, this is definition sketch for waste collection for HCS. Okay, so the truck will arrive at the container location and then will go to the transfer station to unload the solid waste and then go back to the container location with empty container. And then go to another place. Okay, bring the container to the transfer location, empty the container, and then bring back the container at the container location, and so on. That is how HCS work. While another type is SCS, stationary container. For stationary means the pickup truck will assemble all the solid waste, okay, from one point, okay, and then the truck will empty the container and then leave the container at the station, and then go to another place, empty it again, go to another place, empty it again, and then lastly we'll go to the transfer station. Okay, so the container It's not moving. It's at the container station. Okay. Hanya sampah saja dia unload. That is for SCS. Okay, next, the determination of vehicle and labor requirements can be resolved into 4-unit operation. Okay, pick up, haul at site, and also off-road. Okay, this one, no need. You can read by yourself. Next, we move to factors for laying out routes. Okay, depends on the existing company policies and regulation, and also existing system condition, waste generated at traffic congested location, and also waste generated at traffic congested location should be collected as early in the day as possible, and then scattered pickup points where small quantities of solid waste are generated. And 4-step processes. Okay, first one is prepare location maps, prepare data summaries, lay out preliminary collection routes, and lastly, develop balanced route. For collection route schedules, a master schedule for each collection route should be prepared for use by the engineering department. Okay, so dia kena follow betul-betul lah route dia tu. Next, look at the transfer station. Okay, so transfer stations are facilities where municipal solid waste is unloaded. Okay, so as I mentioned before, so the truck will bring all the solid waste to the transfer station. So the transfer station is important when hauled distant to available disposal site, most common in larger metropolitan areas, and direct hauling no longer economically. So important factors in design of transfer station are the type of transport operation, capacity requirements, equipment and accessories requirements, and also environmental requirements. So tak boleh lah buat transfer station dekat residential area. Okay, depends on the area. Kena jauh. So types of collection services: direct discharge, storage discharge, and also combined direct and storage discharge. Okay, this is example of transfer station. This is direct load, and this is storage load. Okay, location of transfer station should be near as possible to the individual solid waste production, easy access of major haul routes, and also where there will be a minimum of public and environmental objection, and also must be where the construction and operation will be most economical, adequate land area, okay, must be enough area, and served by utilities. Okay, should be water, sanitary sewer, storm drainage, and also electricity, and also for the transfer station to operate. Then the method, either in motor vehicle transport, railroad transport, water transport, and also pneumatic transport.